In this video, we'll show you what to do if your mobile data internet speed is quite slow on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here tap on connections. Now in this menu, tap on mobile networks. Now first go to network operators. Now make sure this select automatically toggle is turned on. Now come back to the previous menu, tap on network mode and make sure it is set to 5G preferred. Once you have done this, go back to the previous menu. Now here tap on data usage. Now here make sure you have data saver disable. If it's on, tap on it to turn it off from here. Now go back to the previous menu. Now tap on billing cycle and data warning option. Now here make sure you haven't set any data limits. If you have, make sure to turn them off from here, as this can restrict the speed once that limit is reached. So once you have done this, come back to the previous menu. Now here enable the airplane mode. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. This should refresh your phone's network connection and hopefully solve the problem. Next, you need to tap on more connection settings. Now tap on VPN. Now make sure your phone is not connected to any VPN service. If it is, simply tap here and then select disconnect. Once you have done this, your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. Now in here, scroll down again and then tap on reset. Here scroll down again and then tap on reset mobile network settings. Now here tap the reset settings option and then restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you have done this, your issue should be resolved and you should experience faster mobile data speeds on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.